Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Lumentum again. Now, yesterday, I had said that the way this stock had rebounded, volume was pretty good. I wanted to look to buy this stock, knowing though that it's a little early. And what I mean by that is the stock's rebounded. It's gone through the 50 several times, but then ultimately rebounded. And, we're getting a lot of zigzags here. But these zigzags have kind of turned into this, just kind of this looks like a pretty, I could be an engineer, because if I drew a couple more of these things, this would be a very stable structure here, but might even support a rally. So I was looking at this saying, all right, I would look to buy this stock and maybe have a stop, say right down there. Okay, and so then today, we get a big market carnage. Lumentum, up in the morning. Always nice to see, right? Let me get to present day here. Up in the morning, and then it falls back into this kind of trading range. So basically, the bulls kind of got rejected. It turned out to be not really a fake out, because I'm not really looking at it as a breakout. I'm just looking at it as this is a really good indication of buying. And then, of course, you get this here. And, this is probably like a rebalancing or being added to an index. I don't know what it is. But the trade is still intact. And, in fact, what I'm hoping for is that next week, we've got Monday and Tuesday, and that's it for Q2. Good riddance. But we've got Monday and Tuesday and next week. If this thing pulls back to, say, 73, like the closer to the 200-day moving average, the better, that would be a good time to be looking at entering it. So we're not looking at buying it before it does this. Now we're seeing that it's done that, and now it's coming down. We want to get it lower, because this is the drop dead level right there. This is where your stop's going to be. It has to be there. And right now, this is really the trading range right around here. So the closer you can get to the stop before you buy, then the more room you have for price improvement before you would ultimately sell. See, so if you're buying, you're buying up here and your stop is down here, well, this is a lot of ground to give up before you know whether you're wrong or just early. And so I'm hoping that we get more of a little pullback here, and then I'll look at it again. And I'm not saying, oh, if it pulls back, I will buy. No, you shouldn't be thinking like that. I'm not thinking like that. If it pulls back, I'm going to look at it as a potential opportunity, and the thing that's dispositive would be, what is the stock doing? Has it fallen back here to 73 or even 74? And am I seeing good buying? Am I seeing volume spikes? Am I seeing the stock trading on the tape at the offer as opposed to the bid? Stuff like that. That's the stuff that I'll look at to decide whether I want to buy the stock, but it absolutely has to hold above 72. Okay. All right. That's it. Members, I have some trading lessons baked in this weekend's update. So I want you to definitely take a look at that stuff. All right. I'll see you next time.